Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix battery drain on your POCO C85. So first, what you want to do is we want to go over into the phone's settings. So starting off, go right here and we want to go over to the battery. So swipe down here. Now, as you guys can see, what we need to do first is we need to enable the battery saver. So let's click the current mode and change it to battery saver. Now click on OK. And as you guys can see, the battery saver is now on. And next, what we want to do is you want to lower the screen brightness or basically select the automatic one. So swipe up until you see display and brightness. Here you can enable automatic brightness if you want to, or you can simply just lower it, and it's totally up to your preference. Now, after changing it, what you guys want to do is disable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or location when not in use. So whenever you don't need it, you can just go here to the control center and make sure to disable Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi, but I need the Wi-Fi, and you will also have the location here, but you will need to edit those settings. And now, after disabling it, what you guys can do is identify high draining apps in the settings. So go back to the battery, and here in the battery you will have an app that takes a lot of battery. So this is the high draining app. You need to find an app that you can actually delete. So for an example, you can delete Google Wallet, and here you can uninstall it so it doesn't take your battery that much. And now after that, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software to fix any battery related glitches. So scroll up right here and go to the about phone section right up top. As you guys can see, I have the update button right here, so this is only when you have an update available. So let's just click it, and here let me quickly connect to the Wi-Fi. Now let's click on retry and let's see if it will check for an update. And as you guys can see, it finally loaded up. We have an update right here. So all we have to do is just click download update. Then the same button will convert into the install update. And that's basically how you guys will get the software update. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.